Right on. It's the midway. So if you're a pedestrian, but you have to pay your entrance fee there, right? Get in there, right? This is the, yeah, this is the deal here. Midway. Uh-oh. Wi-Fi is going crazy. Uh-oh. Press up. No, up. No, press up. Oh, there we go. Perfect. Okay. I'm not going to go in tonight, but maybe tomorrow. Either tomorrow or Friday. Regina's Queen City Exhibition, Regina, Saskatchewan. No, I think you can drive, like I think you pay your admission and drive in and park, right? I'm not sure. Probably something like that. You pay your admission there to park, like, and then you drive in and park, or do you have to come back and pay admission? Or you just drive right in there and pay your admission at the same time, right?
You drive there.
Yeah.
And then you pay for admission and parking. And
then you can just walk in.
Yep.
Yeah. How many people came through here today, do you think?
Oh,
when you were on duty?
That's like
2,000?
more than that.
How many? Did you hear the news? How many it was today, or not?
No. How many was it though?
I don't know. I don't watch TV much.
It's like, I don't know, the
Well, it seems pretty busy tonight. It's not so bad. Tomorrow and Friday will be busy though, right? Tomorrow and Friday are going to be the busiest.
Alright.
Well, we'll see you guys. Have fun. At least you got the nice, colorful place to look, right?
Friday's gonna be busy. It's because a lot of people are waiting for nails.
That's right.
Yeah. Every single one is just like
Needs cash. Needs cash. Well, no, I think that's about enough right here, right now. What do you think? I think so. Good enough.